Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So as you already see my whole makeup look, so today I'm going to use these two palettes, which is Jacqueline Hint palette and the second one is New Nude Huda Beauty palette. So without any further thing, be sure let's start. As for primer, I'm using Body Shop Instant Wear Primer. For moisturizer, I'm using the Vitamin E Moisturizer Cream, which is from the Body Shop. Now I'm going to use NYX Professional Makeup and I'm using this as an eyeshadow base. For brows, I'm using PS Pro Pomade, which is in shade Blonde. Now it's time for eyeshade. So first I'm using Jacqueline palette and the color I'm using is black. Just don't be scared, it's just the beginning. So after that I'm going to use these two colors. Now the main thing is how you are going to blend. So you have to blend very carefully. Now it has blend. Now it's time for this. It's a shadow do, and from one end it's a matte black color and in the other end it's a metallic color. So first we use black color. After that we going to take a glitter fix gel and apply on your eyelid like this. It's a glue, you can use any glue. My eyes are done here. Now I am moving towards face. So the first thing I'm going to use is my foundation. Now it's time for blush on. Now it's time for lashes. Now it's time for highlight. Now I'm going to apply a liner, little liner. Now the final thing, lipstick.